Here's the donut.
Recording Hanlon bar to her.
To an end. So I'd like you to thank John Gallagher, who did all the filming today. I won't suppose won any awards, but it'll be very interesting to look at maybe in 10 or 20 years, and maybe to see people like Danny McDermott and John McHugh and them on it, and to see Doherty Village as it looks now. Many good things have happened in Doherty over the last number of years. We had the council scheme, which 5 houses were built and have now been given out to tenants, and some nice young bachelors going into them. If any woman comes looking for a man, she can't go to a wrong door anyhow. So, if she knocks on one door, she's always right. Any one of them. There's a bachelor in every one of the 5 of them. Now, we'll go ahead with the draw anyhow. And I think Mary Ferrier, someone has the tickets there somewhere near hand. Here, Jim. Aye, throw out one there, someone. Here, some John Bowler, one of the men is going into the houses. So white ticket anyhow. Number 296. Dawn Lee Shea. Dawn Lee Shea, 296 on a hold the ticket in your hand there, Jim. Just Marty Gibbons. I think Marty, you can pick whatever you want. The football, that one, teapot, the clock, that's it, wine, beer. Take whatever you want, Marty. Right, okay. Right, number 2. Take another draw now. Right, Martin, draw another one now. Another white one, is it? Yeah, 446. 446. 446. Mary Ellen. Right, 446. Now, teapot away to Dorla. Right, okay. That'll be for the tea. Right, someone else throw one out, right? A pink ticket this time. 342. 3 carats on a pink ticket. 342. Going to Churchill. Come on up here and pick something. No, Connie, that's a white one you have. No good. Right. There's Churchill man coming up here. 342. That's right, aye. That's it. Yes, you're dedicated. You won't have to go to the Rock tomorrow night. Right, okay. Now, there are 3 other prizes left yet. Is that a white one, is it, Jim? A white ticket 218. Daw Hen Horse or ticket 1. Good boy. What's the name? Ian Cannon. Ian Callahan. You're a Churchill man too, are you? A fan? What part of fan? Over the lighthouse where Jack Connolly used to be. Right, okay. What are you taking down to fan it now? Yes. Down to Kindrum. Eh? They used to fly in from there into Tory Island. Right, okay, now a pink ticket now coming up. 413. 413. Tony, you want it? $413. There are 2 prizes left.
Tell him to come out to the head of pole again.
Robert, there are 2 prizes. There's a clock and a bottle of wine. What do you want, Robert? Here, clock.
Why be here, Robert, to get a look at you?
Right, Robert. 413 is right. Good man now, Robert. Right, Mary Patricia. Right. 194 on a white ticket. 194. Josephine. No better woman. Martini. I'm sure this will be very, very interesting in about 20 years.
Henry Ford, will you come out from behind the pillar there? Do we get a look at you?
Right, okay. So, I hope you enjoy the rest of the night now. And again, right, okay. Good luck. God bless. Right, before I end, just give a round of applause to the bandman here from Planet, Liam Callahan.